can have it on record.
What's her name?
Your hand. Put it on your hand.
No.
It's okay.
Don't let it fall off your shirt.
Jordan, you guys shut up. Uh-oh. Get your hand in front of it, Abe.
What the heck is that
Get your hand in front of it. That's its wings. In front of it, honey. There you go, right there.
Can I have a sleepover today? I don't know.
Nobody can sleep over here, guys. We just don't even have any furniture yet.
Yeah. Can Lexi sleep over at my house? I don't
Here,
know.
give me your hand.
Maybe if I wanted. What's her name? Elena. Hey, oh.
Pick it up. Hurry, pick it up.
I can't.
Yes, you
Let's
can.
get the ice cream.
Pick it up. Hurry up.
I want to name it Elena because that's a cute name.
Elena.
If it's a girl, we should name it Elena.
Put it on your foot, Avery.
It's a girl.
Come on.
It's okay, Evie. Weird face.
Jordan. No, honey, please. Jordan. Let it climb on your hand.
Avery, in front. Ugh, it has a weird face. I know.
That's a cool looking face.
It has a cool and weird looking face. Guess what? My grandma's coming tonight.
Wonderful.
So maybe my grandma and you can meet. How old is your grandma? I don't know. Granny, how old are you?
52.
I'm 3. You're 3? Yeah. I'm 6. I know. What's her name? I'm 7. I think we should name it Cooley. Because it's cool. Charlie.
What do you think, Avery? What do you think we should name your pet?
Charlie.
What are you going to name it, Avery?
Let's name it Charlie Brown.
No, let her pick her name. What are you going to name it, Avery?
I don't know. It's coming right towards me.
Does it tickle?
It's crawling on her foot. Hey. It's actually on her toe.
Here.
What is that? Something, I don't know.
Sit down, Ave.
It's a cicada. What is it? It's a cicada. A cicada. Whatever. It's a cicada. Can I play with cicada? I know what we should call it. Katie Kaboom.
You gonna let it get on you, Avery? Lexi?
Huh?
You gonna pick it up?
Sure, but I'm waiting for that thing to get on my hand.
Get in front of it, Avery.
In front, like that. Right, pick your hand up. Alright. Does it hurt you?
Nope.
No.
It just feels weird when it crawls up your
Toes and fingers because it's tickling. It looks like